we're lagging. Okay, I think we're good. What's up, YouTube? So, as you guys can see right here, it is what time is it? Computer, what time is it? Okay, whatever that is, 9:02. I think you said. Yeah, 9:02 a.m. I don't know why I didn't just go up here in the first place. It is 9:02 a.m. Woke up around 7:59. Hit my morning routine. Some light, some slight. Oh, and now we're on the charts. So I just came off of making a video a few seconds ago, but it closed out because I pressed some weird button. But what we were talking about was this move right here. This crazy stick to the upside. We're about to talk about that in a second. I'm going to go ahead and mark out my charts. So as you guys know, we're marking out the highs. I lied. Yeah, the highs. If I can grab it. There we go. And the lows. So we did hit that breaking structure I was talking about. Or this is a new video. We hit that breaking structure to the upside right here on the 5-minute. And as you guys can see, we kind of took off with it. But what I'm doing right here is I'm going to go ahead and mark. What time is it? Okay, we got about 50-something seconds. Mark that out right there. That's a fair value gap that we're looking to retap into. Let's look at the 15 real quick. I think I already marked it out. Yeah, you can see break structure to the upside here. And that yellow perfectly marks out exactly where we expected the candles to go. So this right here, this is a perfect example of when I would say you would consolidate it. Boom, right there. Column or consolidation is key, my bye. Now we come back down here. As you guys can see, obviously, we're making new highs. We've got, hold on, let me try to mark these out. Boom, high here. Boom, high here. Boom, high here. Higher low. Whoa, this is kind of abnormal. It's kind of like an even low. I don't know about that one. So it looks like we're trying to make a new trend here, or we're trying to make a new trend here. We got a leg down, but then the leg back up. So now we're making a new trend again. We're not making a new trend, but we're going with the same trend that we had a few days ago. I'm sure that we're bullish on the daily. I don't even have to look at that. Yeah. Let's actually see what the daily's doing. Same thing. Yeah. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Cool. This is going to be a very short video. There's not a lot to talk about. We talked about that all yesterday and the day before. Fridays are usually just the days that market cleans up. So you guys are probably wondering, or probably had this question but didn't ask, why don't I trade on Monday? Why do I not trade on news? And why do I not trade on Fridays? Monday, markets genuinely, I've spoke about this before as well, markets genuinely just trying to find out what it's trying to do with its life. It's like not a middle-aged guy, or yeah, kind of like a middle-aged crisis. Market doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. But depending on what Monday does, the week reflects it. Friday is usually the day that we're just cleaning up and we're seeking that liquidity that we were seeking earlier in the week. So let's look back here. Okay, we are on the 15-minute. So you can see we started off on Monday right here. We started here on Monday. What the heck is this? This is all Monday, by the way. Or this is all Monday, right? Let's see. We start Monday right here. Perfect. Literal example of what I'm talking about. Consolidation at the wazoo. What is that? What is that? Tuesday, we come here. We're seeking, building up again. So Monday and Tuesday, we were building. Usually Tuesday is seeking or starting to seek. And you can see right here on Tuesday, it started to seek at the end. Wednesday is when we started seeking liquidity right here that we left that Monday and Tuesday's gap. And it looks like it tried to dip into this liquidity right here, but didn't really do too much. It dipped into it a decent amount from here to here, but we seek some of that, come back up to here. We're now fully seeked this liquidity right here, and we're now making a high. We seek this high right here, We broke that, and now we're on an uptrend. Super simple. It gets easier and easier the more you look at the chart. Obviously, my wording is quite off because I'm not a guru. But hey, now the second thing is, why don't I trade on high news? Now, if you're a new trader, I actually wrote this in my notebook. If you're a new trader, there's certain days you should not be trading 100%. And that is, y'all see that? CPI, PPI, FOMC, and MFP. Do not touch any of those days, bro. The reason I say that is because those are really high impact news. Those are days that you're just going to go into the market and you're going to be like, let me get the marker out real quick. Yeah, those are days you're going to go into the market and the market's going to be going like this. And you're like, oh my gosh, bro, Evs was so wrong. The market doesn't move that bad. Then it's going to hit 10 a.m. when news comes out. Prices are going to start going like this. You're like, oh, that's still cool. Nothing's happening. Boom, 10:30. No, 10:15. Boom, 10:30. Now you're stopped out. All because of what? And I already explained why we don't trade on FOMC, why we don't trade on CPI, PPI. But now I'm going to talk about why we don't trade on Powell. Why is Powell, Powell, I guess his name is, why is that guy so bad? I already told you, this guy could stub his toe, market's moving like this, boom. Guy comes back, has a great birthday, boom. Oh, wife broke her nail, boom. This is, dude, it's a whole thing. But anyways, like I was telling you guys earlier, this video will not be that long. I'm thinking we're going to be in here for maybe 10 minutes. I just want to show you guys how market's moving and my live prediction for today. So as you guys can see, market is moving crazy right now. I'm going to go ahead and put my fib maybe right about here. Yeah. I do believe that we get news at 11 today. I'm not sure. And I can't check my phone because that's my camera now. And I can't check my PC or my laptop, I should say, because you feel me. But I did find out this has better resolution than the camera that's on my MacBook right now. Hopefully, we're looking to upgrade that MacBook in the near future. But as of right now, I have goals set for something completely different that eventually I might make a YouTube video on. Who knows? But as of right now, I'm looking for price to drop back into this. I'm pretty sure that 5 minutes closed. Yes, it is. We can move this up actually to like right here. Perfect. We're looking for a drop into this. Actually, no. Move that here. We're looking for a drop into this. And then once we drop into this, let me mark it out for you guys. We're probably going to drop like right into here. We might do it right now. We're going to drop like right into here. You're going to buy. But the problem that I told you guys is why you should not trade on highs. And when I'm saying why you shouldn't trade on highs, I'm meaning why you shouldn't trade when you're at an all-time high. You have no tools to work with here. So you kind of have to guesstimate. This is where market experience comes into play. If you just straight up run into the market right now saying, oh, I'm going to take a long, you have nowhere to compare that from. If I was trading from like back here, I can say, okay, cool, let's look back at the map. That's still an all-time high. All right, let's go down here then. Let's say I'm trading from here and I'm like, okay, I need to know where I'm going to put my take profits. I'm probably going to put a take profit here. I believe that's an all-time high. Okay, no, it's not. This is a high because price will seek those highs always. Okay. Okay, this is also a bad example. I'm believing this is a high as well. So I'd probably put it like that. If I was trading somewhere like down here or something, as well as I'd put one here. And there. Let's see if we can find another one. You can go on different time frames and it'll show you more, but I don't like trading when we're at an all-time high. There's just no utilization of tools. You can't utilize a tool. There is no tools. So You boys stay safe with that trade today. I'm telling you guys my input. Not that my input is completely valid, but hey, like I said, we're looking for price to dip into this. You would buy if you're so antsy. I don't know what time news comes out today, but I believe it's around 10 a.m. So this is definitely around the area that it would start dipping in. Maybe it'll dip a little low. Maybe it'll pump fake you and dip lower. But I believe price is going to go high. We had a 15-minute breakout to the top side. Nothing more to say here. I will check you guys on Instagram. I'll check you guys on Instagram later today. And happy hunting, boys.